here's how you use the Andy amplifier. First, you grab the super ear. Notice that it's got a little microphone that is easily aimed. What you can do is put it on the table and just aim the mic at Andy, or clip it to his clothes. It's not a clip on it now, but there hopefully will be soon. And all you need to do is turn it on. This is the volume control and the on-off button. Make sure when you turn it off that it clicks off. All right, so we turn that on. Now we take the Bluetooth transmitter, which is this cute item, and you just plug it into the earphone jack. Now let's turn on the amplifier. You see that it's got a, turn it upside down, you got a RX and a TX. You want it on TX for transmit. And when you turn it to TX, this little light will blink. That's great. That means it's ready to have a headphone connected. All right. So now we take this here. We grab a set of headphones. You'll see on the right ear cup. Come on, light. There we go. The right ear cup. The middle button here is how you turn it on. You just hold this button down until it says power on. I hope you heard it say power on. All right, there you go. And then this will flash. Come on, flash, baby. It's connected. That's it. All right. And you can see on here that this is connected in the right place. A means one is connected, one headphone. It's in TX mode, and LL is lit. If LL isn't lit, if it's on any of these others, then you can use the middle button, which I'm not going to do because it tends to screw things up. It shouldn't be on any of these others, just on this. Okay, so for volume control, you turn this up until it distorts. This is for the microphone volume. And if Andy is sounding like a bad 1960s rock band that's over-amplified and under-talented, then turn it down a little bit. So you just turn this up probably about half to 3/4 of the way. That's good. Then each headset, you can use 2 of them with this. Each headset can have its own individual volume, or you can adjust the headset volumes with this plus and minus button, or you adjust headset volume on the headset itself. And let me see if I can get this to, there we go, I guess we can see that. Again, here's the headset volumes here, and you can just adjust these as you want to on each headset. That's the whole thing. You know how to use it. You can use 2 headsets at once. Yay, and there you have it. That is the Andy amplifier. To turn off the Andy amplifier, you do it all in reverse. First, it doesn't even matter first, be sure you turn the headphones off. Again, you can just press this button, the middle button here, the one little knob. You just press it until it says power off. Power off. Then you can turn off the amplifier, the transmitter, simply by turning this to the off position. Now note, it's really easy to go all the way over to RX. That means it's still on. It's in RX mode. You don't want that. So make sure you get it into the center off detent. And now there are no lights. It's off. And then make sure you turn the super ear off simply by, you hear the click. Now it's all off. These 3 items, the transmitter and the 2 headphones, charge by USB. So make sure you put them on the charger. This, however, has a battery, AAA battery. And when that runs out, hopefully there'll be a stash of batteries in Andy's room. And if not, you can ask the staff at the rehab center to get you a battery. This actually belongs to the rehab center. These 3 items belong to Andy. Anyway, you can ask the rehab center to get you a battery for the super ear. They're responsible for it. Okay, that's how you turn it off.